Hi, how are you doing? This is Analysis by Doing. I'm Manu Vasudevan, Data Analyst and Certified AWS Solutions Architect at your service. Welcome to Analysis by Doing, a series of data analysis sessions in which we do hands-on projects analyzing and visualizing data. The target audience is aspiring data analysts. What good is any knowledge when not put to good use? Join us in our data analytics journey. In this and upcoming episodes, we will explore some basic SQL commands and, as usual, hands-on. We will download and install MySQL Server. We will create a simple library dataset. Here are the interconnected tables that will be used in our dataset. Our dataset will be centered on books. Our authors have written many books. There is a particular genre for every book. Also, there is a particular publisher for every book. Members or customers have multiple loans of books. Hypothetically, one book will be lent many times. A small disclaimer. Though book titles, authors, and genres that will be used in this dataset are real, the member names, publishers, and loans used in this dataset are fictional and for educational purposes. In your laptop or desktop, open your favorite browser. In the URL bar of Google Chrome or your favorite browser, navigate to mysql.com. Click on Downloads. Scroll down and click on MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Now, click MySQL Installer for Windows or the respective installer for your operating system. For now, we'll choose the installer without the web community URL. On the next page, where it asks you to sign up for a free Oracle account, click No Thanks, Just Start My Download. Click on the newly downloaded MySQL installer at the bottom left corner of your page. Once the installer dialog box pops up, you may close the browser. In the dialog box that appears, select Full for your setup type. Click Next in the Check Requirements screen, as Visual Studio and Python will not be necessary for this lesson. Click Yes in the next dialog box. On the installation screen, click Execute. Wait for all products to complete installation. After installation is completed for all products, click Next. On the next screen, click Next. Select Defaults and click Next. Select the strong password encryption for your authentication method. Click Next. Pick your MySQL root password. In the next screens, select Defaults and click Next or Execute or Finish. Enter your root password when required. In the Apply Configuration screen, when all steps are completed, click Finish. On the Product Configuration screen, click Next. On the MySQL Router Configuration screen, accept defaults and click Finish. Again, on the Product Configuration screen, click Next. On the Connect to Server screen, enter your root password. Click Check. After you see the Connection Succeeded message, click Next. On your Apply Configuration screen, click Execute. Once that is completed, click Finish. Again, on the Product Configuration screen, click Next. Now on the Installation Complete screen, click Finish. Note that the MySQL Workbench and Shell will be started after setup. Note that the MySQL Workbench window and the MySQL Shell window are both open. In the taskbar, right-click on MySQL Workbench. Click Pin to Taskbar. Congratulations! We have installed MySQL and we've demonstrated our library database schema. In subsequent episodes, we'll launch and work with the MySQL Workbench. Stay tuned for more! To keep us motivated to produce more of such high-quality free content, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button below, leave a comment or two, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and other budding data analysts. Thanks for watching! Until our next session, this is Manu Vasudevan, wishing you a very happy analysis by doing. Stay tuned and hit the bell icon below to be notified of our latest and greatest project videos.